Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about making your TikTok account private on PC or the computer version, desktop browser version perhaps if you want to call it that. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user icon in the top right and then select settings. Now you want to go underneath where it says privacy, discoverability, private account. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. You can just toggle that to the on position by turning that on. Otherwise, you can toggle it off by left-clicking it to the left side, and that'll switch it back to a public account so then everyone can see it. So that's all you have to do. Pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.